Imagine starting each day with everything prepared and ready. Picture this. Your alarm gently wakes you up, the blinds slowly open to let in the morning light, and your coffee is already brewing. AI can automate your mornings to make them smoother and more efficient. From setting the perfect room temperature to having your favorite playlist ready, technology is here to enhance your daily routine. Let's see how it all works in harmony.
Imagine waking up to the gentle glow of morning sunlight streaming through your window. With an AI assistant, you can set personalized routines that make your mornings seamless. It can play your favorite music to start your day on a positive note, read the latest news headlines to keep you informed, and even adjust the lights to your preferred brightness. You wake up, and everything is already taken care of, making your mornings smoother and more enjoyable. It's like having a personal assistant right at your fingertips.
Apps like Sleep Cycle also use AI to wake you at the best time so you feel refreshed. These apps monitor your sleep patterns throughout the night, analyzing your movements and sleep stages. By doing so, they can determine the optimal moment to gently wake you up, ensuring you start your day feeling energized and ready to take on any challenges. This smart technology helps improve your overall sleep quality and well-being.
Automating your morning routine saves time and starts your day on a positive note. Try it out.
Now that your morning routine is sorted, let's talk about AI tools for scheduling. These tools can help you manage your calendar, set reminders, and even schedule meetings effortlessly. With AI, you can focus on what really matters while it takes care of the details. Give it a go and see the difference it makes in your productivity. Next, let's explore AI tools for email management. These tools can sort your inbox, prioritize important messages, and even draft responses for you. Imagine no longer having to sift through countless emails every day. With AI, your inbox can become an organized, stress-free space, allowing you to focus on more meaningful tasks. Give these tools a try and experience the newfound efficiency in handling your correspondence. Next, let's dive into AI tools for fitness tracking. These tools can monitor your workouts, track your progress, and even offer personalized workout plans. No more guesswork in your fitness journey. With AI, you can achieve your fitness goals more effectively and efficiently. Try these tools and see how they can transform your fitness routine into a data-driven, goal-smashing experience. Now, let's explore AI tools for meal planning. These tools can help you create balanced, nutritious meal plans tailored to your dietary needs and preferences. With AI, you can take the stress out of meal planning and enjoy delicious, healthy meals every day. Imagine having a virtual nutritionist at your fingertips, guiding you to make better food choices and leading you towards a healthier lifestyle. Give these AI meal planning tools a try and see how they can revolutionize your eating habits.